Okay, so welcome you all to my YouTube channel. So in this video, we are going to discuss about what are all the visa interview questions that the interviewer are going to ask the F1 visa students for the freshers, and how we need to answer those questions and all. We are going to discuss you here. So watch this video till the end so that you will get a clear idea regarding the questions and answers. Okay. Yeah, so here I have listed down few of the questions and answers so that I can come in a way and I can go in a path. Okay, so mostly the students are facing like, so why this university and why you are going to US? Okay, why masters? Why not BTech in India? Why not MTech in India? Okay, so all these questions are common for all those almost all the people. Okay, so for now, let me start with the question, why this university? So most of the guys are messaging me in WhatsApp and even in YouTube. So can you please make me a video on interview questions and answers? Okay, so definitely if you watch this video till the end, almost all the questions and answers will be covered. Okay, so don't skip this video even a second. So watch till the end. Definitely you can get a clear idea and you can get a clear confident how to attend the interview and how to give the responses to the interviewer. Okay, yeah, let me start from the first question. Why this university? Okay, so when your ASA interview asks why this university, you should say that, yeah, I have chosen this university because my profile matched with this university and I can find this is one of the public or private university where it is in the topmost position in the USA, and I can find the course curriculum is too good and where I will be having one mini project and one main project. And I have the subjects like web technologies and artificial intelligence and machine learning. So where I can enhance my technical skills and build my profile and return back to India and come on and settle down with a multinational company, or otherwise come on up with a startup company in India. Okay, so for higher education, I am going to this university. So you can say like this, guys. So don't stick to the point. Try to talk in your own way. Okay, so try to collect some information about the university and talk in your own way. So then it would be good instead of talking so prepared answers. So that I mean stick to the point. So not like a by head. Okay, so you just give your reply by your own. Okay, so and one more thing is that how many colleges that you have applied for the spring 23 batch or otherwise for the fall 2022, whichever the intake you are going. So maybe definitely this question will arise. Okay, then you can say like, so I have applied to so and so universities, for example, Northwest Missouri State University, Southern Alliance University, and St. Louis University. And you can say like, what are all the universities that you have applied? But don't uh, raise a question from your end. Okay, so can I name them? Can I say the admits? Can I say how many I-20s that I have got? So don't ask any question opposite to the interviewer. Only the thing is, so try to answer the question, whatever the question that you have asked by the visa interview officer. Okay, so then he will ask, so how many I-20s that you have got? Okay, then you can reply like, so I have got I-20s for these two universities, for example, Northwest Missouri State University, University of Memphis. Yes, officer. Thank you. So you can say like that. And don't continue and prolong your conversation. Don't make it complex. Okay. So try to give the precise answer and sweet and short information. So whatever the question he asked. Okay. And then he will ask, so why you are going for masters and why not MTech? So as we have many colleges in India, so why you are going only to the masters? Okay, then you can say, so I want to enhance my technical skills as US institutions are providing the practical education. They are focusing more on practical education instead of theory. So that's the reason why I'm planning to and willing to go for masters in USA in particular university, for example, XYZ University, and build my profile and return back to India. Okay, you can say like that. And so yeah, there are some important questions. Let me check and see. So so most of the guys are worrying a lot. So visa interview is so easy. It's not like technical interview, guys. Okay, so you can go for the visa interview with a little preparation. As if you want the syllabus for the visa interview, we have already posted in our YouTube channel. You can go and you can check there. Okay, so then sometimes so they are asking why you are going only for this university, why not other university which you got I-20. For example, if you got I-20 for the University of Memphis and University of Northwest Missouri State University, so then there may be the question, so why not Northwest, why not Memphis, why you are going for Northwest Missouri? Then you can say like, so I like the university, Northwest Missouri State University, because I like the course curriculum and I like the faculty, so I can find, so these days I have gone through a research and I found, so most of the faculties are well researched in different areas like artificial intelligence and machine learning, which are booming technologies in the world. So that I want to go for the Northwest Missouri State University and work as a graduate assistant and under one of my favorite teacher. Okay, you can say like that. And try to collect some information about the faculty of particular university, so that it would be very better for you guys to catch the point, and you can deliver that point in the visa interview. So it may be the very good opportunity. Okay, so and most of the so if you are the fresher 2022 passed out, for example, recent passed out guys may be asking the questions from their bachelor's background. Okay, for example, so if you are from the computer side background, so there may be questions regarding the technical side. So what did you learn in your BTech? Okay, so I have faced the same question in my visa interview. Then I have replied with, yeah, I have learned web technologies and my Android development in my BTech. So under the guidance of my favorite teacher who is XYZ. You can say name. Okay. So I have learned web development, both front end and back end development. So I am the very good front end developer. So even my mini project and main project I have done in these areas. You can say like that. So try to focus more on your bachelor's background. So that I mean the subjects. Okay. So whatever you learn, you can explore there. Okay. So he's not going to give you any programming code and any programming language to execute there. No worries. So try to be confident. Whatever you say. So whether you are saying wrong, you don't know web technologies and you don't know app development and how to do and what to do. That's all. No worries about it, guys. Okay. Try to explore and try to talk in a confident way. So even if I don't know web development and web development, I can say like I'm very good in Android application development. So you can say like that. So for web technologies, I have used HTML and CSS and JavaScript and Bootstrap as the front end. And for the backend, I have used PHP and MongoDB. Like you can say, server-side programming languages. Okay, whatever you say, try to be confident, even whether it is known by you or not. It doesn't matter so more. Okay, so confidence and speed and flow matters so more. Okay, so then the questions from masters. Okay, so master's college. So what are all the subjects that you have in your master's course? Do you have any idea about your master's course? Yes, officer. I have idea about my course curriculum and all. So I have 10 subjects in my master's, which each subject carries 3 credit hours, total 30 credit hours. So when I got 30 credit hours, I can earn my master's degree. So I have these subjects so and so like web technologies, and you can say like deep learning. I have networks and security, and I have Java programming and Python. You can say a few of the subjects. Even if you don't know, you can say what are the subjects that you have in your BTech. So almost the same subjects will be there, but you will be having the advanced concepts. For example, if you have the Java programming as a basic Java programming in your BTech, here you will be having the advanced and core Java. Okay, so that I mean you will be having the more concepts and in-depth knowledge in the Java programming. Okay, so and do you have any relatives in USA? So mostly this question will get in your visa interview. Then you can say, yeah, I don't have any relatives. I am going to pursue my master's. I am living in a particular area. So my college is also is in this XYZ area. So I'm going to this university. I'm going to live there. I do not have any relatives. So you should be confident about this question, you know. So when he asks, if you say like I have the relatives and I'm going to my relative's house, I'm going to stay in my relative's house, it would be a problem, guys. Problematic. So you are just saying visa officer negative answer in such a way. So because he may think so he is going to his relative's house and whether he will pursue masters or not, I don't know. So he will think in such a way. Okay, so don't say like I have relatives and I have friends and all those stuff. We forget about all those stuff. You are just going for the masters and you are going for the masters and you are doing by your own. Okay, and so let me say funding. So coming to the financial background, so definitely you will be asking the financial background question. So he want to know whether you can capable enough in funding your entire education even with the accommodation or otherwise don't you have do you have any fake documents and all. So try to be very confident, even you know. So when I gone for the interview, so interviewer asked one of my friends, so just before me, so what the profession of your father, he is unable to say how much bank balance that you have in your bank account. So he is very fumbled and he even doesn't talk. Okay, so what is his father? Okay, so that I mean you don't fumble even in your interview. Try to be confident. Even if your father is not a businessman, so you can say like my father is a business magnate and businessman, and he can afford my entire education along with the accommodation. So you should explore in such a way. Even if you have the loans like so some third party loans and bank loans and everything, and you have the savings in your bank, so you can say, but confident matters here more. Okay, so that's major question, and definitely the question will come from the financial background, guys. And if you are the experienced person going for the visa interview, definitely your project and your role will be asked. For example, if you have the experience in web development for the front end developer, so he is going to ask, so what are all the projects that you have done after your bachelor's in this gap? Okay, if you have 5 years of gap, so what did you do in these 5 years of gap? Definitely he is going to ask this. And you can say like, so what are all the projects that you have done in your company? So you can explore about this project. So I have used so and so technologies. And then he is going to ask about your role in that particular project, role in your office. So then you can say I'm the front end developer, or otherwise if you are the back end developer, I am the back end developer. I have the good grip in database and MySQL and commands and all. So he's not going to ask in-depth knowledge and his in-depth interview questions like a technical question. Okay, so just to try to explore and come up with a few sentences regarding your project and your role. So definitely this question will arise, and if you are confident enough in answering these questions, so definitely your visa will be approved. No worries. Okay, so only focus on better you focus on bachelor studies and master's course curriculum and master's college and subjects, and if you have the experience projects and your role and financial background and your family background, and what are all the exams that you have taken. So this is also very important, guys. So what are all the exams that you have taken for your admission? So then you can say like, I have taken the IELTS and GRE and Duolingo or TOEFL, whatever the exams that you have taken. You please be careful with your documents and bring the documents to your visa interview. Okay, so he will ask the questions like, so how much score did you get in your IELTS examination? How much score did you get in Duolingo examination? So the questions maybe like this, guys. And how much GPA that you have got in your BTech? So do you have those documents with you? Then he is asking like that. Okay, then you can say, I have those documents with me, officer. So mostly he is not going to ask all those documents. This he can take only I-20 and passport. Okay, so these are all the basic questions, guys, that visa interview here is going to ask you, and be confident and straightforward, be honest. And so as we have all the original documents, why we need to worry a lot? So we are going with the original documents, and we are going with the original admission, we are going with the confidence, and we are going with the good communication skills. Then why we need to worry about the rejection? So definitely we are going to achieve, and definitely we are going to accept your visa if you follow all these questions and answers. And if you want some visa interview experience from previous students like seniors and who came for the fall 2022 and spring 2021, so all those experience videos I have posted in my YouTube channel. Try to focus all those videos and try to watch all those videos. If you will be getting a lot of points, okay, so that you can explore there, you will get the same questions in your visa. So try to watch all those videos before you go for the visa interview. Definitely in the coming days, I'm going to come up with a new video to boost up your confidence. Okay. So only the thing is, connect with me through the subscription and like, share, and subscribe our channel. We are not going to post any nonsense, and we are not going to give any editings, and we are not going to post something else. So we are coming up with only the genuine content and genuine information for you guys to enhance your skills and to have smooth journey in your visa process. Okay, so thank you. Hope you got my point, and thank you all. Thank you. I'm not going to waste your time. Thank you. Goodbye.